Hello guys, it's Carl BMX again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a hub. Now today I have a Colt match hub, but it is stock, so it is, in other words, shit, but it's, fun to play around with. So today I'm going to take apart and show you all the different parts of the hub. If you wanted to make your hub louder or quieter, I will show you how to do that in this video. Let's get started. So we'll take off these nuts. This nut is actually rounded. This is no good. Got your washer. Then take that part off. There's your driver in there. The same with this side. Basically just take it off. Right, so we got that out of the way. This how you take out the driver. Should just come out like that, and so should the axle, like that. Now what you've got left is the hub shell with the teeth. I always roll the teeth around, the bearings, the cassette bearings, and the axle shaft right in the middle there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Same on the other side. Since you don't have, it's not your driver's side, you've just got your sealed bearings. Yeah, so if you want to make your hub louder, there will be a shitload of grease in the driver or in the teeth. What you just got to do is take that out, or get a cloth and just rub all the grease stuff out, and just put a dab of hub oil or something. Just rub it in there. Or if you want to make your hub silenter, just put a shitload of grease in there. And then your driver, normally, this one's a pain in the ass, just normally fits back in. There, like that. And then you've got your axle here. Well, I'll name off all the parts here. Alright, so first you've got your hub shell, obviously. Your bearings, teeth, and drive shaft inside. You've got a driver or a freewheel. You've got your rear axle, my bad, sorry. And you've got all like your little nuts. That's a non-drive. That's your non-drive space. So that goes on that side where it's on non-driver. And yeah, you basically got all your like screws and bolts and shit like like that. I will make a video in the future on how to lace a bike with your spokes, and just. Lacing a bike like that, kinda, or whatever. Now I will put the hub back together. This may take a while. So first, just grab your hub. Let's go. As I said, this is a pain in the ass of the hub, but it does go in eventually. we go. What goes in now? So now we've got that back in. We'll put this goes on the far out. Not again. Just pretend that's gone back in there. So anyway, this goes back on the opposite drive. You get one of these. That goes on. So you got that shredded way. Goes on. That. Let's just try get this driver back in. I'm sorry it might take a while, but it's an important thing that you know how much of a pain in the ass these can be. If you're new to BMXing, that is. No, who gives a shit? What normally happen is your driver would be in, just say, and then that would go on. Oh, where's that going? Oh shit, wrong way. So that circle part has to be facing the hub. You've got your driver, you got your other thing somewhere, and they just go crack on like that. Thanks for watching. Sorry it took so long. It's just hubs are a pain in the ass. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. It'd be a big help. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my videos.